Hey guys, Dr. Wolter, Wolter Chiropractic and Wellness. It's summertime, and you know what that means. It means weeds. So as you're out there gardening this time of year, just want to make sure you protect your backs as we do that. So we're going to talk about 3 things that we want to do. 1, think of it like an athletic event. You want to make sure you stretch out, warm up really good before you get out there and start pulling those weeds. Don't go at it cold. Break it into periods. So you want to take it at chunks. Go weed for 10 minutes and then take a break. Weed for 20 minutes, take a break. Don't try to knock it all out in one piece. And then the third one's going to be your form. A couple of different options. We want to just make sure we're protecting our back as we go down to get those weeds. So what we don't want to do is just keep our legs straight and bend our back. You are going to be miserable if you do that. So a couple of options that we have. 1, take a nice wide stance. Keep that back nice and tucked in. And then just come down. You can use that leg for support. You can go ahead and actually get a nice kneeling pad. Put your knee down on the ground. Pull the weed from that position. Just make sure you're keeping your back in good alignment as you go down to get those weeds. So happy weeding and enjoy your summer. Thank you.